Hi. Um, okay, so listen. This week I've not been feeling super inspired to do any kind of artwork. And usually when I get like this, I want to do things that I'm not necessarily good at, like portraits. I'm not good at it. At least I don't think I'm good at it. I could be better. Let's say that. I can be better. And it's just I don't know. I'm not that interested in it. Um, but I definitely want to get better at it. I'm still learning. I'm not a super experienced artist. I didn't go to art school. So there's tons of stuff I don't know how to do, or I'm just not good at it. But I definitely want to learn. And so that's what I want to do today. But I thought even more than just doing just a portrait. I thought, what if I do a portrait of myself? Because I've actually never tried to do my own portrait ever. Like I've never tried to like draw my own face. Why would I do that? So I kind of want to do it mostly because I think it might be funny because I don't think it's going to be good at all. But I'm curious to see what I can do and what I can come up with. So I'm curious, I'm excited, and you'll get to see what I can do. But yeah, I don't think it's going to be good. But we'll see.
There's something about the way that you understand. We don't need a rush and we don't need to make no plan. You say, pace yourself, slow it down. And I don't want to waste my days with no one else. I love how it feels. Killing time, you and I. Hours, minutes, days and nights. Trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I. In this moment we're alive. Infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine when we're killing time. There's something about the way you talk with your hand. The way that you say my name when nobody's there. No. You say it's alright. Take your space if you need a break. And if I need to disconnect, that's okay. This ain't no race. Killing time, you and I. Hours, minutes, days and nights. Trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I. In this moment we're alive. Infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine when we're killing time. Killing time, you and I. Hours, minutes, days and nights. Trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I. In this moment we're alive. Infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine when we're killing time.
Okay, so yeah, no, it was not good at all. It's so not realistic. Like it's not even funny how not realistic it is. I have noticed, like I said before, I don't really have that much experience painting. I'm more of a sketcher than a painter, and I'm even less of a face painter, portrait painter. So I have noticed that I tend to do the eyes a little bit too big because I try to make it really detailed, and because I'm trying to make it detailed, I just make them too big. That's one critique that I've noticed, aside from 1,000 different other critiques. There's a lot that can be fixed there. It is not my best work, but I am really, really interested in seeing what I can do a year from now. Because like I said, I'm not a super experienced artist, but I am trying to learn. I'm trying to learn every single week. I try to do different techniques every single week. I try to do different things every week, whether it's abstract, whether it's realistic, whether it's landscape, whether it's animals, people, things, you name it. So yeah, I'm really interested in seeing a year from now where my skills are going to take me, because a lot of artists do try to document their progress, and I have as well. I've tried to recreate things that I've done years ago and see how far along I am right now. So I definitely want to see how far along I'll be a year from now, or even 6 months from now, or wherever. So I am definitely excited in trying it again at some point in the future and seeing if I can do a much better job at it. So that is something to look forward to. But in the meantime, I will continue doing paintings and murals and sketches and whatever else comes at me and whatever I decide to do. And so yeah, look at those videos, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you next time.